Welcome back, my loves. Today we are going to do a Sunday reset, and I'm going to be showing you how I do my overnight glow up. And not only are you going to feel relaxed and rejuvenated, but you are going to look good and you're going to smell so incredible by the end of this. We have a lot on our to-do list, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my body masking routine. If you follow me, you know how much I love doing this. It's basically when you use a clay mask and you're just going to put it all over your body. My elbow is like an area of hyperpigmentation. So if you want to brighten up any dark knees, dark elbows, this is really going to help. Body masking in general is amazing because it's going to really exfoliate the skin and smooth out any bumpiness on the arms or legs. Today I'm just going to do the arms and not the legs because it is freezing cold and I just don't feel like wearing shorts right now. And that is perfect. You don't have to put it in every inch of your arms, but as long as you get like your problem areas, you can use any clay mask you want. You don't have to use this one, but the mask I'm using today is Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. We're gonna multitask here. While this dries, I'm gonna steam my skin. Okay, this has completely dried up and now we are gonna go wash it off in the shower and do my Sunday shower reset routine. Finally done with the shower. You guys know you're probably wearing your bathrobes the wrong way. I learned this hack on TikTok and I don't know why I never thought of it before. This part of it is not supposed to be tied behind your back. You just want it to be in the front, in between these two hoops, and then you're gonna tie it. That's the reason why there's no hoop in the back. I know, I was mind blown. And today's goal is to just smell like the ultimate clean girl. And you guys know I love to smell good all day, so I always do my perfume sandwich method. This is like the best scent layering technique. Like if your scents don't last, you need to try this. I have so many videos on it and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it right now. The key is all of the products you use need to complement each other in terms of scent. So the base of your perfume sandwich is gonna be your body lotion. Now you wanna do this right after your shower, always, because we always hydrate the skin. A shower can really dry out your skin, so you wanna make sure you're moisturizing. I'm gonna be using the Frenchie Palo Santo Sage Body Lotion. I love this lotion so much. The scent is just intoxicating. You're gonna put this wherever you see skin. So arms, neck, behind the neck, bring it down to the chest, and you always want to do the legs as well. Now my favorite part is the perfume. This is gonna be the middle of your sandwich because it's going to stick onto your body lotion and not move. If your perfumes don't last, it's probably because you're also putting it on dry skin. My perfume choice of the day is Porcelain Pulse by Roan. This is such a beautiful fragrance. Fun fact, I went to New York in December and I came across like a little flea market in the Chelsea Market area. I immediately saw this brand called Roan and the founder was there as well. I saw that it was perfume and I kind of just darted in that direction. And the founder was telling me that all of the scents in her brand are based on tea notes. So if you're somebody who loves tea, you will love these fragrances. There were so many. There was one that was based in matcha, which I also really liked, but I didn't get that one. The one I got has a black tea note. It's supposed to kind of make you feel like you're at an English tea parlor, feeling fancy and classy, yet still clean and fresh and sophisticated and elegant at the same time. This is one of those fragrances that is beautiful for everyday wear. So if you want something for school or for work that's not going to be too much, but still will get you compliments, this is absolutely it. And I'm gonna put the notes on the screen. Definitely has like that tea note coming in, but at the same time, it's light and airy and citrusy and fresh. So this is also great for a summer fragrance. I always put my perfumes on my pulse point. So we wanna do the inside of the wrist, inside of the elbow. This is where it's gonna warm up and kind of mix with your body chemistry and project. I also like to put it behind the neck because if somebody hugs you, that is what they're gonna smell. Pro tip. Now I'm gonna let all of that marinate for about 2 minutes. And we're gonna go on top with the top of the sandwich, which is the body oil or the perfume oil in this case. And again, I'm using the Being Frenchy Palo Santo Sage perfume oil. This is the same scent as the body lotion. You don't have to use the same exact scent as your body lotion. I just happen to have this and I feel like the Palo Santo scent goes so beautifully with any clean, fresh fragrance. The reason I put oil on top is because oil locks in everything you put underneath it and it just works so well in this technique to the point where I've gotten so many comments and messages from you guys telling me how well it works. I just put this on top of wherever I applied my perfume and I just dab it on top. This smells absolutely incredible. And now it's time for my skincare routine. We did a little bit of steaming before the shower. This is really gonna help to unclog the pores, and the skincare products you use after steaming are gonna work a lot better on your skin. Before I get into my skincare routine, I need to use my deodorant. I've been loving the Fleur Vanilla Skin Deodorant. If you saw my last video, you saw that Dove came out with a collab with Crumble Cookies. They also came out with a deodorant, and I love that one because it's so sweet. It literally makes you smell like a snack. But today I'm feeling this vanilla skin deodorant. Now we are gonna get into shaving the face. I love doing this on Sundays because then I go into the week and my skin looks so good. My makeup sits so nicely on top of my skin. That is the key to flawless makeup, by the way. Skin is freshly cleansed. We wait 10 more minutes. Okay, washed it off. Just look at how refreshed the skin looks. I feel like it just feels so nice too. Just soft and smooth. Now I'm just gonna go in with the rest of my skincare routine. I use this Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. It is the best thing for acne scarring, and I'm literally almost done with it, so I have to just get a little bit out. gently patting it into the skin. This helps the products that you use get absorbed a lot better into the skin, so they're gonna work a lot better this way too. I've been through at least 10 bottles of this serum by now. One of my favorite skincare products of all time, this is the Roan Glazing Milk. This is literally magic in a bottle. Like, it immediately gives you the most supple, glassy, glowy, healthy looking skin. Like, just look at that. 10 out of 10. Now we have to lock all of these delicious products in with a moisturizer. I'm using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Tatcha is one of the most luxurious skincare brands, and this moisturizer makes my skin feel and look so amazing. SPF is our best friend, okay? This is the Innisfree Daily Defense Sunscreen. I use this every single day. It's one of my favorite sunscreens. I use about this much on my face. Remember to always bring it down to the neck. And we can't forget about the lips because we need them to be hydrated in this cold weather. I'm using the Laneige lip mask. I have my big cozy sweater on. I feel so relaxed, rejuvenated, and I smell so good. And all I want to do is relax the rest of the day, but I do have some cleaning to do a little bit later, and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, I desperately need to clean the vanity in my beauty room. This is where I get ready every single day. So it honestly doesn't make sense to clean it every day because it just gets messy again the next day. But every Sunday, I try to really clean it so that I can set the tone for the week. Because if it's messy, my head is not clear and I need to have a clear mind on Mondays. I also can't find half the products I want to use when they're all over the place. So this is much needed. I definitely want to do an entire beauty room tour soon, so let me know if you guys want to see that and how I organize all of my products. Okay, I had some time to rest for a bit, but my husband and I are going on a date night tonight. So let's get ready together. This is kind of like my go-to date night makeup routine. I just prepped my lips with the Ole Henriksen lip treatment. I love this stuff. This is like the only lip balm that genuinely works for my dry lips. As always, if you know, you know, I only use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer whenever I do my makeup. It's so good. It makes your makeup last forever on the skin. Let's use my favorite foundation, the House Labs foundation. I have to mix two different shades because I could never find my right one. Let's blend her in. Do you guys see that immediate difference in the skin? Like, this is the best foundation ever. It was also in my 2024 favorites video. I don't usually go directly in with concealer. I will do a color corrector first. This is the one from Huda Beauty. It's the shade Cherry Blossom. This is just gonna wake up my eyes. The under eyes are gonna look very bright. So if you do have any darkness or dark circles or anything like that, you will love this. Tower 28 concealer. I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever palette, and I'm gonna use this bronzer shade. This palette is amazing. If you don't already know what it is, it has foundation, bronzer, blush, contour, has everything you could need. When you're using bronzer, you want to warm up the entire face, not just the cheekbone area. And then I just use that same foundation brush I used earlier to just kind of diffuse out the edges, because you don't want any sharp lines when it comes to contour or blush. Okay, I'm feeling a little crazy today. I normally go for a very natural blush, but this was sitting right in front of me and it was calling my name. This is the Huda Beauty blush in the shade Watermelon Pop. It's like a reddish blush. Oh my gosh. The pigment in these blushes is absolutely wild. That is so cute. Again, diffusing everything out. Now time to go in with our powder products. Using this Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Peach Pie. I love this because it's so beautiful for brightening up the under eyes and still setting it at the same time. Like, look how airbrushed my skin looks. Literally looks like a filter. I like to keep the cheeks a little glowy. Now setting our blush and bronzer with powder blush and powder bronzer. This is the bronzer from Essence. Brows are basically done. I'm just gonna touch them up. I always use this Urban Decay brow blade and it creates like the perfect hair-like strokes. I'm just gonna do a baby wing using the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions palette. I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. Using the Sigma EO6 winged liner brush, it's a little wet. I feel like the lips are already perfect. I just mixed a little bit of the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Cherry with the Ulla Henriksen lip treatment. I'm just gonna go on top with this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Venus. I love. Rare Beauty has the best mascara. Now setting the face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Need a new perfume combo for tonight. I do still smell the one from this morning because it's always so strong, it lasts forever, but then also like to change it up. I love smelling like all kinds of different things. Because it's really cold outside and it's date night, I feel like smelling sweet and sophisticated and classy. So for the base of the sandwich, I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier Almond Coconut Body Lotion. If you haven't tried this, this is like the most delectable almond croissant vanilla caramel dessert you've ever experienced. If you know the perfume Bianco Latte, this lotion smells exactly like it. I'm gonna go on top with this perfume. I'm so excited about it. It's called Dulce by Rosie Jane. This is like a vanilla chocolate, like custardy dream, but at the same time, it's super sophisticated and woody. I love it so much and it goes so beautifully with this lotion. Letting that kind of marinate. Then you want to use an oil that kind of complements all of these scents, and I'm gonna go on top with the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Body Oil. This one is so perfect because it has notes of vanilla, caramel, and pistachio, and it's super nutty but sweet at the same time. Like, this is a compliment getter. I can feel it. Yes, I have to try this. If you haven't tried this, you have to try this. This might be one of the best perfume sandwiches I've ever done. I also just felt like doing a quick little hair routine because I've kept my hair straight for a few days and I feel like I need a little something something, you know? And now we are just winding down the day. I feel like it was such a successful Sunday reset and glow up day, and I hope I could inspire you to do your own. Remember to like and subscribe so you can follow along on my glow up series. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.